Today I'll walk you through exactly how to inspect your module output in Make, so you can see precisely what data is flowing through your scenarios and debug them like a pro. If you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's jump straight in. The first thing you need to do is actually run your scenario, because Make only shows you output data after an execution has taken place. Head down to the lower left corner of the screen and click the Run Once button. This triggers a single test execution of your scenario without scheduling it to run automatically, which is perfect when you're building and testing. Alternatively, if you've already run the scenario before, you can skip this step entirely by clicking the History tab. That's where Make stores a log of every past execution, and you can open any of them to inspect the data from that run. Once your scenario has executed, look at the modules on your canvas. You'll notice small circular bubbles appearing above the upper right corner of each module. These bubbles are your gateway into what actually happened inside that module during the run. The number displayed on each bubble tells you how many bundles, pieces of data that module processed. If you see a 0 or no bubble at all, that's already useful information. It means that module didn't receive or produce any data, which is often the first clue when something isn't working as expected. Go ahead and click the bubble on the module you want to inspect. This opens the inspector panel on the right side of your screen. Now, if your module processed more than one bundle, meaning it ran through a loop or handled multiple records, you'll see a list of individual operation blocks inside the panel. Click into the specific one you want to examine to drill down into that single piece of data. Finally, inside the inspector, look for the Output or Result dropdown and click it to expand the section. What you'll see is your data organized into structured containers called bundles. Each bundle represents one item that passed through that module, one email, one row, one record, whatever your scenario is working with. You can expand individual fields to see exactly what values Make captured, and this is where debugging becomes straightforward. And that's it. You now know how to inspect output in Make. Run your scenario, find the bubble, open the operation, and expand the output. A simple workflow that will save you hours of guesswork. See you in the next one.